Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is soil, part 4. So let's talk about it. Soil is one of the thinnest layer of material covering Earth's surface and it is formed due to weathering of rocks. Soil is mixture of certain mineral particles like organic material, air, water or some of living organisms. Soil is the uppermost layer of earth crust, which is support terrestrial plant, animal and microorganisms. It is formed for the weathering of rocks by physical, chemical, biological activity by action of wind, water and sun. The physical properties of soil in order to decreasing importance of ecosystem service such as crop production are texture, structure, bulk, density, porosity, consistency, temperature, color and resistivity. Percolation of water and soil. If 200 milliliter of water poured inside the pipe and time measured for the water percolation is 2 minutes, then the percolation rate is 100 milliliter per minute. Percolation rate milliliter per minute is equal to 200 into 2 is equal to 100 milliliter per minute. Water content or moisture. Content is the quantity of water contained in the materials such as soil, rock, ceramic, crops or wood. Water content is used in the wide range of scientific and technical areas and is expressed as the ratio, which can range from 0 to the value of materials porosity at saturation. Soil moisture is the water stored in the soil and is affected by precipitation, temperature or soil characteristic and more. These some factors help determine the type of biome present and the suitability of land for growing crops. Soil absorption system are conventional and long accepted solution to many on-site wastewater treatment needs. Using the soil as the part of on-site wastewater system provide both wastewater treatment and ultimate dispersal of water into ground soil system can also the very cost effective. So let's talk about facts about the soil. Number 1. Soil is living system. Number 2. A single gram of healthy soil contains millions of organisms including earthworm, mammals, mites, insects, fungi, bacteria. Number 3. Soil is the frontier for exploration. Only about 1% of soil microorganisms have been identified. Number 4. Soil process recycled nutrients including carbon so that living things can use them over and over. So kids, tell me, what is soil absorption? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the soil part 4. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.